Okay, we're recording.
Okay. Let me see it. Get her too. Look at the expression on her face. Let's see what we've got in here.
What's funny?
You really know me good, don't you? She knows my favorite TV shows. She knows my favorite colors. She knows what I'm afraid of.
What's funny?
The thing she likes to do the least is go to work.
No.
That's what it says, go to work.
That wasn't his 8th grade photo, that was you. I don't know, I have it at home. I have 2 computers to work with.
That's cute.
Where's she at?
Oh, look at this. It's days like this where you realize just how much your kid pays attention to you.
Oh, look at that. Eleanor made her a ladybug.
What's my favorite bug?
First, we had to paint it, and then we had to make that, and then we made her dots, then we colored the head, and then we made that, and then I did that, and then that's what I made.
That's cute. How'd you know my favorite bug was a ladybug?
Well, everybody in the class made a ladybug.
Uh-huh.
Because they were supposed to.
Are you done yet?